श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाचा फल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाचा फल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्ववाचा फल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाचा फल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री सर्वरोग निवारिणी गायत्री सर्वदुःख परिहारिणी गायत्री सर्ववाञ्छाफल श्री गायत्री सर्ववेद माता गायत्री
My most humble pranams to the Bhagwan seated in all your hearts. It is my privilege and honor to introduce the artist chosen by Bhagwan to perform for this year's Mahila Divas, Vidushi Kanakavalli. But to all of us, she is our Amchi Mulgi Jyoti from Chembur Samiti who went on to Mulin Samiti. And she is our alumni of the Sri Satya Sai Bal Vikas. And we are indeed proud of her accomplishments. And we are so happy to have her in our midst today. Now a little glimpse into her musical journey. Born to very devout parents, she must have certainly had her musical genes from her past births because she started singing at a very early age. In fact, she began her formal training when she was just 10 years old. She continued her musical training with Srimati Geeta Sundaresan and Srimati Usha Padmanabhan, the disciple of Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Srimati R. Vedavalli. Simultaneously, she also trained in Hindustani classical music under Sri Dattatreya Vaikar, Pandit Sri Dattatreya Vaikar, who was the head disciple of Sangeeta Chudamani, the late Pandit Sri Vinayak Rao from Gwalior. And she also trained with Pandit Sri Shrikant Vaikar, who is the son of Pandit Dattatreya Vaikar. But for us, she's been an integral part and the life and soul of all the musical presentations we made before Bhagwan in Prashanti Nilayam. And during every Ashadi, we have had a blissful time listening to her music. And regarding the awards that were bestowed on her, galore, awards galore, right, let's go back to her teenage years in the Mumbai University. She's been winning awards in all the prestigious events like the Synergy, the Malhar events. But to her, if you ask her, what is the award that she would cherish? She says it is the award or the medal that she received when she was in 9th standard. Because in 9th standard, she was part of the Satyasai Balvikas and she stood first in the bhajans. And that year, Bhagwan chose to bless Mumbai with a divine visit. And so she got the gold medal from Bhagwan himself. And you know, when she actually first sang her musical performance in Dharmakshetra, guess, she was just in her 7th standard when she performed for the Dharmakshetra day, that is 12th May. She's indeed been the chosen one for the 75th birthday celebration of Bhagwan. She was chosen to sing the birthday song. The birthday song, not just sing it, she had to compose the song, and the entire song was recorded in just a day's time. And she sang it live there in Prashanti along with Gaurav Chopra for the 75th birthday celebrations of Bhagwan Baba. She has also been the leading vocalist when the Saregama, yes, she won the Saregama title when she was part of the band. She was the vocalist for the band which won the Saregama title in 2000. And yes, she has actually performed extensively in the Middle East. And also she's performed at the Mirabai International Utsav in Chittorgarh in 2019. But like I told you, her passion for music was such that not only the Carnatic and the Hindustani music, she has also trained in the Western music. And in fact, this diverse journey into different forms of music has shaped her into the versatile artist that she is today. Her passion for singing abhangs, in fact, made Lord Vithala call her to Pandharpur, and she's performed there at the Pandharpur shrine along with her senior disciples. But for her, even if you ask her today, she will say, every time she has performed at Prashanti as part of the Ashadi group, will always remain etched in not only in her memory, but the bliss that we all derived being part of that musical group. Anyway, without much ado, I will like to invite Vidushi Kanakavalli. She will be accompanied in chorus by Aruna Ganesh, Chitra Hariharan and Vaishnavi Hariharan. And the musical artists accompanying her are Sanket Modi on the harmonium, Milind Shiore on the flute, Niranjan Kanadia on the tabla, and Siddharth Nayak on the dholak. Over to Vidushi Kanakavalli. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, everybody. My dear friend Rama gave a very generous introduction. If I have to sum up my musical journey in one word, I can only say it's only His Kripa. There's absolutely nothing else that I have to say. Everything surrendered at His lotus feet. We'll begin today's program with a song on Lord Ganesha. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गणपति शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीधर श्री वरद विनायक शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीधर श्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति गणपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति नील निरंतर हो नील निरंतर हो निरागस हो गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गज गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया भरनी ओंजय नित्य देवा चरणा तान्हे बाल सुमधुर हासे भावत से सुरा गणपति ओंकार गणपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति निरंतर लीन निरंतर निरंतर हो सूर निरागस हो 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 मोरिया 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 मोरया 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 गणपति Yeah. The next one is an Abhang by Sant Sokha Mela. Here he describes the beauty of the Lord Vithala. विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल 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 जय हरी विठ्ठल 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 जय हरी विठ्ठल सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी पुंडलिका पाटी पुंडलिका पाटी उभे ठाणे सुखाचे जे सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी पुंडलिका पाठी उभे ठाके सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी साजी रे गोजी रे साजी रे गोजी रे समचरणी उभे साजी रे गोजी रे समचरणी उभे भक्ताची आलोवे विठवरी भक्ताची आलोवे विटेवरी विटेवरी विटेवारी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे तटी पुंडलिका पाठी उभे ठाके सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे जय हरी विठ्ठल शोभे वैजयन्ती कण्ठी सुखामणे शोभे वैजयन्ती कण्ठी चन्दनाची ऊटी सर्वांगी चन्दनाची ऊटी सर्वांगी विटेवरी विटेवारी सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे सुखाचे जे सुख चंद्रभागे सुखाचे जे सुख सुखाचे जे सुख सुखाचे जे सुख अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम 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 द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण 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 द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण 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 सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा 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 अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम 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 अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम 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 द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण 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 द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम 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 This bhajan was composed by Sangeeta Kalanidhi. Actually, he is more Padma Vibhushan, Shri T.N. Seshagopalan, sir. When he was in Brindavan campus, he composed this song. So, Sokha Mela composed Sukha Tse Sukha Chandrabhage Tati in Pandharpur, and this is our Chitravati Tati, our Sukha Tse Sukha. परमं पवित्रं भावा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्ष प्रदान बाबा विभूतिं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि साई 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 नाथा साई 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 नाथा साई 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 नाथा साई 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 सत्य साई नाम पावन फलदायकं श्री सत्य साई नाम पावन अति मधुर फलदायकं शान्तिदाता विपत्ति त्राता शत्रुभुवननायक शान्तिदाता विपत्ति त्राता शत्रुभुवननायकं श्री सत्य साई नाम पावन अति मधुर फलदायकम् सृष्टिकर्ता जीव भरता आदिदेव महेश्वरं सृष्टिकर्ता जीव भरता आदिदेव महेश्वरं संतरञ्जन धर्मभञ्जन प्रेममय परमेश्वरं संतरञ्जन धर्मभञ्जन प्रेममय परमेश्वर नयन करुणा करुणा नयन साईनाथ अनाथ नाथ साईनाथ अनाथ नाथ शंभो शंकर पतिनाथ साईनाथ अनाथ नाथ चंद्रशेखरा शंभोनाथ Sai when Rama was saying all that in the introduction, I'm tempted to share a small experience of mine with Bhagavan. The title of this whole experience is His Compassion, His Karuna, His limitless compassion. Yeah, you can keep adding to that. So it was in the year 2000. Swami's 75th birthday celebrations were going to be held in Prashanti. Immediately after the Akhanda Bhajan, I was booked to travel to Parthi. I think it was around 11th or 12th, I don't remember the dates, but it was at least about a week before the birthday celebrations. I was so disillusioned with my lot in life, and I came home after the Akhanda Bhajan, and I still remember there was a picture of Swami on the wall in my house. So I looked at the picture and I said, and I truly meant those words. You know, usually I am trying to get his sympathy. I know when I'm dramatizing and all of that. But that day, I think I truly meant every bit of it. There was no tear in my eye. I just told him, Swami, I am neither materially nor spiritually accomplished. And I meant it totally. I can't mean it more. I have no accomplishment to my credit. So why is it going to matter to you? I mean, I concluded that it will not matter to you whether I come for the birthday celebration. But for me, this is a family function. So I have to come for the birthday. What I will do is I will come on the morning of 23rd morning. I will come by that Udyan train, all that I'm telling him. And soon after maybe I'll be perched on some tree and have your darshan. And immediately after the birthday, I am going to leave by that Kurla, whichever train I get, and I'm going to get back. So I don't need to come 10 days in advance, because actually the Chaitanya Jyoti Museum was going to be inaugurated and I was looking forward to all of that. But I said, no, I don't think I have to come. I came home and I went all the way and I cancelled the tickets and came back home. And I thought I'll go only around 22nd or so. As things turned out, within 2-3 days, I got a call from a friend asking, hey, you were supposed to come now, what happened? So that's all the prodding I needed. I said, yeah, I'm coming. And immediately I just booked whatever I got and then I left for Parthi. And it was such a blissful trip. Even we didn't know how, it was all very magical, the typical Swami style of things. And we come to know on the 21st of November that we are going to be singing live the birthday song. Sanket was part of the team. And in fact, Gaurav was in Bombay and he was asked to come, and 22nd he landed in Parthi. And on the 23rd of November, there I was singing in front of Swami in the Hillview Stadium. So I was, you know how the setup there in the Hillview Stadium is, right? Swami is there and then there are the VVVIP katta there. Then we were just behind that, we were singing. And adjacent to where Swami was seated was the enclosure where his family sits. So now I have finished singing and they have to put me somewhere, right? So those two aunties, Gaurav went off and sat somewhere with the students, I think. Now they didn't know what to do with me. We can't be walking in front of Swami so distinctly. So they just, that Shauri auntie, she took me and she said, come. And she made me sit next to Swami's sister-in-law in that family, enclosure. So I kept sitting there throughout the birthday and all. It was a few months later that it struck me. I had told Swami, for me, this is a family function, Swami. So he actually made me sit with us. with his relatives. So that's the, what to say. I just thought I should share so one understands it's only his kripa. Even the way I sang there, totally undeserving in terms of practice or whatever people say. I know what I am, right? So I cannot fool myself. And the only title is kripa. I owe it all to the organization, honestly. Wherever I am today, I started off as a Bal Vikas student. So I come from a family where we are followers of Sri Ramanujacharya. We follow the Visishta Advaita system of philosophy, the Sri Parampara. And nobody in my family was a devotee or anything. My grandparents have just seen Swami once. So this Bal Vikas was started in my school. They came and started. And that's how I enrolled for the Bal Vikas. And so bhajans is what I think kept me, they encouraged me. So I remember Ganesh Bhatt, he was the one. So I used to come and sit behind, and one day he got old and he said, no, why don't you also, you sing well, you can sing bhajan. And that's how my journey there started in Chembur. And I cannot forget the kindness of Sri KVR Rao uncle. Very little I've interacted with him, but his kindness remains in my heart. And the encouragement by Sri Parameshwariya uncle. And the organization here, Kamla auntie, Nimish uncle, my dear friends, Uma. We have had such lovely times, I cannot say. And Rama, Kanchana and Vaishnavi. I owe it all to the organization entirely. And Krishnamurthy, the music director. Sai Natha Natha is his composition. I owe so much to him. And so this is one incident I wanted to share. Much later, another student told me that it seems 1 week before the 75th birthday celebration, the singers were not yet finalized, it seems. And this boy was playing tabla and sitting there. And in front of him, this conversation between Swami and I think the All India president, that's what he told me, was happening. He was telling Swami, you have not fixed the singers for the 75th birthday. We have not called they usually have very high professionals coming and performing there, right? So it seems Swami said, professionals ko bulayega to devotees ko chance nahi milega. So he was very excited. I mean, I was also excited. But again, as I said, all this I'm sharing, the sum and substance of all of this is, it is totally his kripa. And how can we thank this sweet Lord of ours? So moving on to the next song, I thought we have had so many beautiful experiences recording for the various Ashadi programs and the various ballets that have happened in Patti. So I thought we'll offer a garland of these songs at his lotus feet. This will be a medley. Yeah. Slightly long one, but I cannot, I didn't know which one to cut. So I have to also mention my dear friend Gauri. She's not here, I think, today. So she was also part of the grooming up. गंगणपतये गणनाथाय गणाधिपाय गणाध्यक्षाय गणाय गगनाय गंगाय गमनाय गकालाय नमः गकालाय नमः गकालाय नमः అవతరించే కలియుగమందు అవతరించే కలియుగమందు పరమ పురుషుడే పుడమియందు ఈశ్వరాంబా ఇంటి అందు 16 కలలతో పత్తి అందు జయము జయము సాయి సన్నిధానమే మాకు పెన్నిదానము సాయి సన్నిధానమే మాకు పెన్నిదానము సాయి సంపర్కమే మాకు మహాభాగ్యం సాయి సంపర్కమే మాకు మహాభాగ్యము నీవు మా వాడవు మేము నీ వారము మా జీవితాలే నీకు అంకితాలు మా జీవితాలే నీకు అంకితాలు మా జీవితాలే నీకు अंकितालु दिव्य प्रकाश है साई की ये दिव्य प्रकाश फैलाए ज्योत से ज्योत जला प्रेम की जन्म सफल हो जाए काम क्रोध तज दे प्राणी कहीं ज्योति बुझ ना जाए काम क्रोध तज दे प्राणी कहीं ज्योति बुझ ना जाए प्रेम से बन जा साई का तू प्रेममयी है साई प्रेम से बन जा साई का प्रेममयी है साई प्रेममयी है साई सत्य सत्य साई भगवान ने ज्ञान के ज्योत जलाई हर एक जीव है अंश प्रभु का सभी है भाई भाई सभी है भाई भाई मेरे हृदय में समाये नंदलाल मेरे हृदय में समाये नंदलाल कैसे इसे किसी और को दूं मेरे नैनों में यशोदा के बाल कैसे किसी और को देखूं मेरे सांसों में है मेरे सांसों में है नटवरदा यशोदा के बाल हे मेरे सांसों में नटवरदा कैसे ये जीवन और को ओ चित छोरा नंद किशोरा बस तेरी है हम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम इन चरणों की धूली जिस दिन शीश से अपने लगाई भाग्य हुआ उदय मेरा जीवन बड़ा सुखदाई ऐसी दया की इस जीवन में कभी ना की थी कल्पना कभी न की थी कल्पना साई चरणों में है गंगा साई चरणों में है यमुना छूने से सब पाप मिटे साकार हुआ मेरा सपना అంతరంగమైన శ్వాసమే నేనైతిని, నీ ప్రాణమే నేనైతిని, నీవే సాయి, నీవే సాయి, సాయి నీవు, నీవే సాయి, సాయి సాయి నీవు, సాయి ప్రేమతో వినయ విద్యా సంపన్నుల చేసి బాల బాలికలకు ఉచిత విద్యానిచ్చి, ప్రేమతో వినయ విద్యా సంపన్నుల చేసి బాల బాలికలకు ఉచిత విద్యానిచ్చి, రోగ పీడితుల కష్టము బాకి ఉచిత వైద్య వసతులనిచ్చి, ఆకలి కడుపులకు అన్న వస్త్రములిచ్చి, దాహార్తుల దాహము తీర్చే సాయి గంగనిచ్చి, ప్రేమ గంగనిచ్చి, సాయి గంగనిచ్చి, ప్రేమ గంగనిచ్చి, ఆ సాయి జీవితమే, ఆ సాయి జీవితమే అద్భుతమే, అద్భుతమే. నారీయ జీవిత గౌరవము, నారీయ నీ శ్వాసమే నేనైతిని, నీ ప్రాణమే నేనైతిని, నీవే సాయి, నీవే సాయి, సాయి నీవు, నీవే సాయి, సాయి సాయి నీవు, సాయి ప్రేమతో వినయ విద్యా సంపన్నుల చేసి బాల బాలికలకు ఉచిత విద్యానిచ్చి, ప్రేమతో వినయ విద్యా సంపన్నుల చేసి బాల బాలికలకు ఉచిత విద్యానిచ్చి, రోగ పీడితుల కష్టము బాకి ఉచిత వైద్య వసతులనిచ్చి, ఆకలి కడుపులకు అన్న వస్త్రములిచ్చి, దాహార్తుల దాహము తీర్చే సాయి గంగనిచ్చి, ప్రేమ గంగనిచ్చి, సాయి గంగనిచ్చి, ప్రేమ గంగనిచ్చి, ఆ సాయి జీవితమే, ఆ సాయి జీవితమే అద్భుతమే, అద్భుతమే. నారీయ జీవిత గౌరవము, నారీయ ఇంటికి సింగారము, నారి లేని జీవనమే శూన్యము, నారీయ జ్యోతి కిరణము, నారీయ జీవిత గౌరవము. నీ పలుకులనే వింటి, నీ పదములనే కంటి, నా ఈ జీవనయానము సాగించితి నీ స్వామి. క్షణమేయవా మాయ సేయగా పురందర విఠలా స్వామి 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 ఓం సత్య సాయి నమో శ్రీ సత్య సాయి నమో జయ జయ సాయి నమో పతీశ సాయి నమో ఓం సత్య సాయి నమో శ్రీ సత్య సాయి నమో జయ జయ సాయి నమో పతీశ సాయి నమో పతీశ సాయి నమో లాలి లాలి నా మానస సరోవరము పాల్కడలిగా శ్రీ సత్య సాయి ఆత్మడోలికలోను ఆనందదాయి ఆనందదాయి లాలి 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 లాలి. Just one, huh? Just one, huh? Okay. நன்மையும் செல்வமும் நாளும் நல்குமே நன்மையும் செல்வமும் நாளும் நல்குமே திண்மையும் பாவமும் சிதைந்து தேயுமே ஜன்மமும் மரணமும் நின்று தீருமே இம்மையே ராமா 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 இம்மையே ராமா என்று இரண்டெழுத்தினால் நன்மையும் நல்குமே நாளும் நல்குமே செல்வமும் நல்குமே தீமையும் தேயுமே பாவமும் தேயுமே சிதைந்து தேயுமே ஜன்மமும் தீருமே மரணமும் தீருமே இன்று தீருமே இன்று தீருமே இன்று தீருமே ராமா 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 என்றிரண்டெழுத்தினார். So this was the song I sang in front of Swami in 2008. And he asked me if you're Tamil speaking after this. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram, Patita Pavana Sitaram, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Raghupati Raghava Patita Pavana Sitaram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sitaram. Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram. Being a Ladies' Day, I just conclude with a small song. It's called the Tirupavai. It's a pashuram from what we call the Tirupavai. Okay, it's just 1 minute. Today is Swami's star birthday. Yes. வங்க கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனே, வங்க கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனே, திங்கள் திருமுகத்து சேரிழையார் சென்றீரைஞ்சி அங்க பதை கொண்ட ஆற்றை அணி புதுவை பைங்கமல தண்டரில் படர்விதான் போதை சொல்ல சங்க தமிழ் மாலை 30 தப்பாமே இங்கு பரிசுரைப்பார் ஈரிரண்டு மால்வரை போல் செங்கல் திருமுகத்து செல்வ திருமாலால் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இன்புருவர் எம்பாவாய். So in our parampara, Andal is considered the main acharya. So I thought I'll conclude with a song of Sri Andal. Thank you all once again for this amazing opportunity. I've come home after a decade almost. Swami has called me now. Thank you all very much. Jai Sai Ram. Thanks to all the artists on stage for the amazing support. We have our own Sanket, Sri Milind Shioriji on flute. This is Vaishnavi, Sri Chitraji and Arunaji. This is our own Siddharth and Sri Niranjan on tabla. Thank you all very much. Jai Sai Ram. They will play. Sit. Sai. I'm
budget. लंबोदरा हे विनायका लंबोदरा हे विनायका विघ्नहरण गिरिजानंदना विघ्नहरण गिरिजानंदना विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना लम्बोदरा हे विनायका विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना लम्बोदरा हे विनायका गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा
जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
भवानी जगत जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
मदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
मंगलकारिणी कारुण्यरूपिणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
नारायणी देवी नारायणी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी
देवी भवानी जगत जननी
नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते प्रलयंकर अभयंकर कैलाशपते प्रलयंकर अभयंकर कैलासपते प्रलयंकर अभयंकर कैलाशपते प्रलयंकर अभयंकर कैलासपते नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते नीलकंठ गंगाधर हर उमापते डम 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 रूबाजे डम 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 रूबाजे डम राम रघुवर राम सीता राम 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 रघुवर राम सीता राम 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 रघुवर राम सीता राम 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 श्री राम 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 साई 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 राम 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 रघुवर राम सीता राम राम राम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम हो,
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम हो,
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम हो,
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम हो,
यीशु बुद्ध प्रभु 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 तुम हो,
जो राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो, जो राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो, ईशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम हो। सो राष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो। साई राम हो, साई कृष्ण हो। सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम हो। श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम हो। अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम हो।
ओम तत्सत् श्री नारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतो सिद्धबोधतो स्कंद विनायक
सविता पावकतो, सविता पावकतो। ब्रह्ममस्तु यावशान्तितो येषु पिता प्रभुतो। रुद्र विष्णुतो रामकृष्णतो रहीमता होतु, रहीमता होतु। वासुदेव गोवेश्वरोपतो चिदानन्द हरितो। अद्वितीयतो कालनिर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो। साई आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो, साई आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय। मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे। भक्त जना संरक्षक, भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते। आश्रित कल्पलतिका, आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद बांधवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। माता पिता गुरुदैवमो मर्यादयो नीवे स्वामी मर्यादयो नीवे। ज्ञान ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ, ज्ञान ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ। ज्ञानेन्द्र शयना ओम
जय सद्गुरुदेवा। शांति शांति शांति। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थ मोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि। बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि। साई विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि। ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिनः। अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।